In this video, we'll show you the basics of filing a locate request using ITICnxt. To file a locate request, you'll first need to click the My Tickets tab. Make sure Idaho is selected in the state drop-down menu. Click the Create Job Ticket button and select Standard Locate from the drop-down menu. With ITICnxt, you start the locate process by finding and identifying the worksite on the map. Enter an address or name of a building in the Search Place or Address field. Once you have found the correct location, you can start mapping out your worksite. You will do this by creating one or more shapes on the map that represent your excavation area. These shapes are called excavation entities. Access your Drawing Tool menu in the upper left corner of the map. You have several options available to ensure you can precisely and accurately cover your dig site. For now, let's stick with the Radius tool. The Radius or Circle tool lets you place one or more circular excavation entities. Before you can use the Radius tool, you will need to enter the size of the circle. You will also need to provide a physical reference point and a brief description of where the reference point is located. You can place additional entities as needed. Make sure to update the size and reference information if necessary. Click Next to move on to the next step. ITICnxt will automatically determine how many tickets are required to cover the work areas designated in your session based on the rules established by Kootenai County OneCall. If more than one ticket is necessary, you will be notified with a pop-up message. In this example, 2 tickets are required, one for each radius excavation. These 2 tickets are represented by the 2 tabs at the top of the screen. Carefully review the information on each ticket in your session before continuing. ITICnxt automatically derives location information and marking instructions from the mapping you did on the previous page. The job description section contains a number of fields you will need to fill out before moving on. Before we fill out those fields, let's go back to the top of the page. Just above the Ticket tab, there's a small checkbox labeled Apply information to all tickets for the selected job. When this box is checked, any information you enter on one ticket will be carried over to all tickets in the same job. Both tickets in this session belong to Job A, so using this function will enter information on both tickets. The Work Being Done For field will be the same for both tickets, so we'll fill that out while the Apply to All box is checked. Make sure to tick all checkboxes that apply to this ticket. The type of work will be different, so we'll turn off the Apply to All function before filling that out. Before moving on, be sure to fill out all required fields and double-check that the mapping on each ticket matches your location of work. Any checkboxes will still need to be ticked manually. When ready, click the Next button to move on to Step 3. Step 3 is where you review and submit your locate requests. If everything is correct, click the Submit Ticket button to submit your tickets. You will then be presented with the list of utilities that will be notified as a result of your ticket. You can now return to the My Tickets section or begin a new ticket by clicking the Start New Ticket button. Thanks for watching.